Boost your English. Navigating the maze of prepositions and collocations. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Advanced Vocabulary series. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of collocations and explore a crucial component that often proves tricky for learners: prepositions. Understanding prepositions within collocations will not only boost your vocabulary but will also help you sound more natural when using English. Let's get started. Collocation is a combination of words that frequently go together. This isn't about grammatical correctness, but about what sounds right to native English speakers. A classic example is the collocation, make a decision, rather than do a decision, even though make and do can often be interchangeable in other contexts. Prepositions, which we'll explore in depth today, play a vital role in many collocations. They help establish the relationship between words and can drastically change the meaning of a phrase if misused. Prepositions in English are tiny words like on, at, in, to, for, and so on. However, they can be quite the game changers in collocations. They connect the other words together and provide context to the entire phrase. For example, we say, depend on something, not, depend at something. We say, congratulate someone on something, not, congratulate someone for something. These are not rules you can necessarily deduce, but patterns you should observe and learn. Remember, a single preposition can alter the meaning entirely or make the sentence sound awkward or incorrect. The right preposition can make your English sound fluid and natural. Many learners mix up prepositions in collocations, which is understandable given their tricky nature. Let's look at a few common mistakes and how to correct them. Incorrect. I am at home in the weekends. Correct. I am at home on the weekends. Incorrect. I'm very good in cooking. Correct. I'm very good at cooking. Identifying such errors in your English usage and correcting them can significantly enhance your fluency and confidence. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the role of prepositions in collocations. Remember, prepositions may be small, but they are mighty. Paying attention to their use in collocations will allow you to express yourself more accurately and naturally. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon enough, you'll master these tricky little words. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the maze of prepositions and collocations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.